Hi, my name is Cindy Marven. I'm the coordinator for the Coast and Ocean Risk Communication Community of Practice. I'm speaking to you today from Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, where I live and work on the unceded territory of the Lekwungen-speaking peoples and the Songhees, Esquimalt, and Saanich First Nations, whose ongoing historical relationships with the land continue to this day. I would like to thank the conference organizers for this opportunity to share information about the Coast and Ocean Risk Communication Community of Practice. Our community of practice was initiated in 2017 by MEOPAR, a Canadian federally funded research network of 26 universities focused on marine and coastal hazards. One of MEOPAR's 3 areas of focus is the Response Corps, which is centered on knowledge mobilization and sharing expertise about impacts and solutions. In line with these goals, the Response Corps sponsors 8 communities of practice, including ours. Our COP is a steering committee of 7 people who helped launch the COP in 2017 and 3 co-leads. Dr. Joel Finnis of Memorial University of Newfoundland, Dr. Ron Pilo of Dalhousie University, Nova Scotia, and Dr. Amber Silver at the University at Albany, New York. Our community's goals are to bring together researchers and practitioners to connect and share knowledge and information resources, informing both risk communication research and practice. Community members are interested in a wide range of coastal and marine hazards, including tsunamis, storm surge and coastal flooding, extreme weather events, coastal erosion, sea ice change, and sea level change. We have a diverse group of 182 members, with about 43% from universities, 32% from government agencies, 11% from nonprofit associations, 8% from industry, and about 5% who are unaffiliated or of unknown affiliation. Our community includes members from 14 countries outside of Canada, with the largest number coming from the United States at 13 members. Our community members work in a range of roles, such as policy advisors in public service agencies, local or regional emergency planners, and academic researchers. What they have in common is that they all share a need or desire to improve risk communication research or practice. Many are not specialists in risk communication, but they've been faced with the need to be risk communicators and are seeking to learn more about best practices or effective approaches to risk and hazard communication. Our COP operates primarily online to allow us to connect with our members across Canada and internationally. We also hold an in-person event every year, pre-pandemic and hopefully post-pandemic. Examples of past topics at our events or sessions include sea level rise visualization simulators, social media for risk and crisis communication, tsunami evacuation and warning, flood risk maps for public communication, research collaborations with northern communities to address implications from changes to Arctic shipping, best practices for research in northern or Indigenous communities, extreme weather event communication, and others. Check out our website at CORCCOP.com for recordings, presentations, and session or conference summaries. Our community center is our website, but we also email out an e-newsletter, use social media, and are exploring Slack for an online forum for conversations. Our community has jointly hosted events with other MEOPAR communities of practice. For example, the Canadian Coastal Resilience Forum, which is largely focused on flooding, and the Canadian Marine Shipping Risk Forum, which is focused primarily on shipping risk. We also help connect members with each other. For example, one of our community members is a researcher from the University of British Columbia who's engaged in developing a mobile app for household evacuation planning called CHIRP, or Canadian Hazards Emergency Response and Preparedness App, and wanted to engage with communities and emergency planners from local communities. We reached out to emergency planners in the community of practice to let them know about the project, and many of them elected to participate in the workshops on application development. This is just a short overview of our community and activities. You're welcome to contact us by email. Our contact information is on this slide. You can also visit our community center at CORCCOP.com. You're welcome to join the group by subscribing to our communications list on our website. I'm happy to answer questions you might have right now. We also have Dr. Ron Pilo, one of our co-leads from the COP, here with us to answer questions. Thank you.